5 capturing these incredible shots of a Coast Guard icebreaker in Boston Harbor today. The coast under that blizzard warning, expecting to bear the brunt of the storm. News Center 5's Jack Harper is live on Plum Island. Jack.
We are, JC, and this is the walk to the beach. It's not exactly lovely, especially on a night like tonight. It is freezing up here, and you can see the snow. And you know what? Depending on what happens with the storm, it could be a lot higher, or it could be blown right out of here by the tide. We'll have to wait and see. The people who live here have done all they can do to get ready.
We had storm surge, and we had 20-foot waves, 50-mile-an-hour winds, and certainly all of the shoreline protection and construction standards that we have, everything worked out as we had hoped and planned.
But now they have to get ready again, hoping the seawalls and rocks they've put in place stay there.
I don't anticipate any loss of homes or any loss of property. We may have some overtopping and some minor flooding, but it's a blizzard.
Today, the focus around Plum Island was pretty much the same as everywhere else, moving the snow to keep streets open and give room for the new stuff. That really is a Pennsylvania plate. Brian Bell, one of the crews brought in from the Pittsburgh area to try to move this snow, keep streets open here. So you got almost no snow in Pittsburgh, right?
Yeah, there ain't too much snow in Pittsburgh. Ain't too bad at all.
We got it all.
You got it all. You could have it, too.
How long are you here for, do you know?
We don't know.
Yeah,
we don't know how long we're going to be here till they don't need us anymore.
A lot of snow, right? The way things are going, that could be a while, couldn't it? By the way, all the snow? We do have the snow. You got the Steelers, pal. I'm Plum Island. I'm Jack Harper, WCVB News Center 5.